sir. Turn around. Right now. Hands behind your back. Don't move. You're under arrest. You're under arrest.
On the morning of January 15th, 2024, at 8:42 a.m. on Interstate 10 in Pinal County, Arizona, a routine commercial vehicle inspection unexpectedly led to the discovery of approximately $2 million worth of cocaine. During the stop, officers from the Commercial Vehicle Enforcement Unit noticed multiple inconsistencies from the two men operating the truck, one of whom only possessed a learner's permit.
Okay, you gotta get upstairs, that left lane out there, okay? You got CDL? Okay, you got CDL, sir? Go. I don't want to drop that. You got registration, sir? Yes, sir. So you driving for a friend?
Yeah, my friend's the owner.
Owner of PRT?
Yeah, the owner of PRT.
You in here?
No, it's the song.
Team driver? Let me see.
Hey, Emily.
Hello. How you doing? You guys are team drivers?
No, it's the new driver license, the permit.
You're not driving yet?
No.
Why are you here then? Why are you in the truck? Okay. Showing him how to do it? Is that what he said? He's here. Okay. Yeah. So you live in Miami?
Yes.
And the company's at Orlando?
Orlando.
And whose trailer is that? Whose trailer is that?
Yeah, for me.
That's your trailer? Okay. So your friend's truck or your trailer? Okay. You don't have a truck?
Yeah, my truck is broken.
Oh, what happened?
The motor is broken.
What happened? Motor?
Yeah.
What kind of motor you got?
Yeah, it's in the truck.
Oh. Let me see your bill of lading for the freight.
Yeah.
What's in the trailer today, sir? What's inside the trailer?
It's a freezer. Freezer. Minus 10. It's like going to Starbucks.
This one now?
It's going to Starbucks.
Okay.
Going to
Where'd you guys pick it up from?
Phoenix. The Phoenix.
You have your logbook, sir? Huh? No logbook? Why not?
Huh?
No? Do you have a logbook? You got a logbook? Why not? You guys don't write the logbook? Do you have one you can fill out right now?
Right now?
You have a logbook you can fill out?
Yeah, I have the no.
Well, let me see. So you stay in Phoenix for 5 days? At the truck stop?
Yeah, the truck stop.
Couldn't get a load?
The weekend, no.
Okay. All right. Let's check all the lights. Thank you. I'm going to check that fire signature. Inside the truck. You okay if I search it? Huh? You okay if I search the truck and the trailer? You okay with it? Let's go back here and hang out with it. For a few minutes.
as officers conducted a more detailed inspection and compared the occupants' statements. Suspicion grew when neither man could identify the freight they were hauling, and the trailer lacked a proper security lock. While checking the cab area, officers detected a strong odor associated with narcotics and located a concealed compartment hidden behind stacked boxes. Removing the cover revealed 2 large containers tied with rope and deeply embedded inside a modified storage area, a type of hidden compartment often used in high-level narcotics transport. Inside were multiple vacuum-sealed packages suspected to contain cocaine, weighing an estimated 6 to 20 kilograms.
Turn around, right now. Hands behind your back. Don't move. You're under arrest, you're under arrest. No se mueva. Manos arriba. Hey, chill. I don't know what's wrong. You tell me.
You tell me where you putting handcuffs on me.
I'll let you know here in just a minute. I'll get you back.
Can I make a call?
Yep. Manos arriba. Manos arriba.
You know tight these on that?
They're not tight.
Look at this one.
I will adjust them here in a minute.
I'm not gonna do nothing stupid.
Okay. Are you up? Sit down. Manos en la espalda. Manos en la espalda. Siéntese. Siéntese.
A little bit of the right.
It's not tight. I can put my finger in there, just the way your hand is. There you go. Good? We'll adjust them when somebody else gets here.
You can't put it on the
You're twisting your... Huh?
You can't put it on the front?
When somebody else gets here. Okay?
Can I make a call?
Yeah, yeah. I got somebody coming. You guys can get up off the ground here in just a minute and we'll adjust the cuffs, okay?
What is it?
So I got somebody else coming. I need to read you your rights. You have the right, before we ask you any questions, you must understand your rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before we ask you any questions, and to have him with you during questioning. If you can't afford a lawyer now, one will be appointed for you before any questioning if you wish. If you decide to answer questions now without a lawyer present, you still have the right to stop answering questions at any time. You also have the right to stop answering at any time until you talk to a lawyer. You understand your rights? I need to just get yes or no. Yeah? Don't worry about it. I don't have a Spanish one, so we'll get you one later.
I'm sorry. Can I get my phone number? My phone? So I can make a call? This is it?
Who's gonna call?
Oh my God, this is it.
Okay, I'll call him.
And my baby mama.
Your baby?
Yeah, my baby mama. Is that right?
You say your baby mama?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Maybe we'll do that in a little bit, okay?
Could I smoke a cigarette? Real quick?
Yeah, I'm waiting for the other guy to get here. We're about 3 minutes away.
We're not trying to do nothing stupid.
I hope not.
We're calling over you. We're chilling.
All right.
If you want to make a phone call, that's it.
Okay. You want to talk to me about anything that's going on today?
Nah, I don't know why you pulled us over.
Okay. Well, I do commercial vehicle inspections. That's why I stopped you guys. Okay. I'm gonna be up front. Looks like there's some drugs in the truck. Okay. So I don't know if you guys want to cooperate with us or not. If you don't want to make any statements, that's fine.
I don't know what's in the truck.
Okay. Are you able to translate if I ask him something?
Yeah.
Okay. Ask him if he wants to cooperate with this investigation. Can you ask him that? What do you say?
Like what? What do you want?
Okay. We'll stop it there for now. Feel like weed in here, don't it?
Oh yeah.
Basically, these 2 boxes, it's right there. Now it's covered up like this. So I'll take a couple pictures of that.
Still use your camera?
Yeah.
It does smell like weed in here.
Mm-hmm. we can bring those out. If you want to grab one, I'll grab the other. Where's the other box at? Okay, cool. Tied to a rope for it.
Is it tied through it?
Yeah. So they pull that out somewhere. See right there? They shove that in there. I'll have to look real quick. A lot of times you'll see these in not axle compartments, but sidewall compartments. And I'll show you where they gain access to it.
So they just stuff all in there and leave the rope where they can pull back up.
6, so 20 kilos. Alright. Yeah, baby.
All narcotics were seized at the scene and transferred to federal narcotics investigators for testing and classification. The 2 men were detained for further questioning and may face several felony charges related to trafficking and transporting controlled substances. Authorities stated that the investigation remains ongoing as they work to determine the origin of the shipment and identify the network responsible for the illicit transport operation.